Small talk, cooking and food. Food.
Wow, everything here looks delicious.
You're darn right. This place wouldn't be this popular for nothing.
Yup, I could definitely see how famous this place is. It seems like there's a party in here.
There are times when the queue goes all the way out there.
Whoa, really? That's unbelievable.
Well, that's how famous this place is. They're best known for their chocolate cakes and fruit smoothies.
I ordered super dark chocolate cake and mango smoothie with yogurt.
Great! They're to die for.
Wow, I can't wait.
Cooking.
This is unbelievably tasty.
Well, it's a Filipino bread called pandesal.
Oh, so did you bake it yourself?
Oh, I wish I did. But no, my friend Tara did. She's that lady right there.
I see. Please tell her that this bread is really great. I mean, it looks just like any other bread, but tastes way, way better.
She'll be super happy to hear that.
Is there any sort of secret ingredients to this?
I'm not really sure, but I don't think there is. I mean, I remember my mom baking it the same way as Tara and everyone else I know.
Okay.
What about I introduce you to her and you can just ask her yourself?
Well, why not?